Welcome to our channel where we guide you through activating your Southwest Rapid Rewards card with ease and confidence. Welcome to our channel where we guide you through activating your Southwest Rapid Rewards card with ease and confidence. If you've just received your Southwest Rapid Rewards card, you're probably excited to start earning points and enjoy exclusive travel benefits. Activating your card is straightforward and can be done in just a few simple steps. First, make sure you have your Southwest Rapid Rewards card handy along with a device connected to the internet or a phone nearby. Step 1. Visit the official Southwest Rapid Rewards website. Open your preferred web browser and go to the official Southwest Rapid Rewards activation page by typing in the exact URL provided with your card. This ensures you are on the secure site. Step 2. Enter your card details. On the activation page, you'll be prompted to enter your 16-digit card number exactly as it appears on your card. Double-check your entry to avoid errors. Step 3. Provide personal information. You may need to input your name, date of birth, and the security code printed on the back of your card. This information helps verify your identity and protects your account. Step 4. Create login credentials. If this is your first time activating the card, you might be asked to create a username and password to manage your Southwest Rapid Rewards account online. Choose a strong, memorable password. Step 5. Confirm activation. Review all the information you have entered and submit the activation request. If all info is correct, you should see a confirmation message indicating your card is now active. Step 6. Activate by phone optional. Alternatively, if you prefer telephone assistance, call the number on the back of your card. Follow the voice instructions to enter your card number and other requested information. This method is equally secure and convenient. Step 7. Start earning rewards. Once your card is activated, you can begin using it for Southwest Airlines purchases and partners to earn points. Monitor your account online and check out special offers to maximize rewards. Maintaining your card's security is important. Never share your personal information or card details with unknown sources. In case of any issues during activation, contact Southwest Rapid Rewards customer support for prompt help. Now that you know how simple it is to activate your Southwest Rapid Rewards card, you're ready to take advantage of great travel rewards and benefits. Don't forget to check your email for welcome messages and tips on how to make the most of your new card. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and like this video for more helpful guides and travel insights.